Namaskar students. This video for class 10th lesson number 2 traditional handicrafts and fine arts of our ancient India. In this video we will study the last topic of the lesson number 2, the other dances of our Gujarat. So among them the first dance is the Golf Gunthan dance. In the Golf Gunthan dance the musical instrument, drum beats and also the tal and lay is also very important. It is also performed with the special instrument of the drum beats and tal, lay, music. These all types of the things is also very necessary in these types of the dance. In these types of the dance you have seen one type of the special position, that is the tying the rope with the mandap or the tree or any pillar and the rope holding the hands in performer. आपने इस तरीके से डांस को देखा होगा कि भाई कोई भी ऐसे पिलर के ऊपर, ट्री के ऊपर इस तरीके से कोई रोप को बांधकर और जो उसका रोप का एक एक जो रोप का जो पूरा ये पार्ट होता है वो एक हाथ परफॉर्मर के हाथ में होता है एंड द परफॉर्मर होल्डिंग द with the one hand the rope and in the other hand the dandiya and they perform this dance in a circle. जो डांस को इस तरीके से सर्कल में परफॉर्म करते हैं एंड वन परफॉर्मर कम इनसाइड एंड अदर परफॉर्मर कम आउटसाइड और इस तरीके से सर्कल में दैट इज द गोल्फ गुंथन डांस टू मेक द रोप एंड टू ओपन द रोप. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन दिस डांस. इस रोप को गोल गोल करके गुंथन कर, जिसको बोलते गुंथन गुजराती में, गुंथन करके गोल 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 उसको कर देना और वापस उसको ओपन करना. दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन द डांस एंड दिस डांस इज कॉल्ड द गोल्फ गुंथन डांस. द नेक्स्ट डांस, द धमाल डांस ऑफ द सिद्धीज. In our Gujarat, one village in the center Gir forest of Gujarat, and that is the Jambur village. And in Jambur village, one community is lived there, and that community, that is Siddhi community. And this community basically connected with the Africa, the Siddhis of the Africa. In these types of the dance, the rhythmically, the striking, the mashira. The striking the mashira. Mashira, that means a coconut shell, and in this coconut shell there is an earthen lamp, and this shell is covered with the cloth, and that is called the mashira. So that types of the things is used in these types of the dance. The performer wear the peacock feathers. पीछे आपने आदिवासी डांस या तो ऐसे लोक नृत्य के अंदर आपने देखा होगा कि पीछे ऐसे पीकॉक के जो feathers है वो पीछे ऐसे लगाते हैं. So the small drum beats are also the used. The performers in one hand, the small drum beats are also used in these types of the dance. And in this dance, just like their name धमाल, धमाल मतलब धमाल मचाना, दंगा मस्ती करना, आवाज करना. So in this dance, the performer, the loudly, the shouting the voice, the ho ho ho, that is the voice in these types of the dance. And this echoes in the forest, और इसके जो इकोस है वो फॉरेस्ट में पड़ते हैं और जस्ट लाइक इमिटेशंस ऑफ द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स, उसकी नकल करना और उसकी जोर जोर से आवाज निकालना. दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस इन द धमाल डांस ऑफ द सिद्धीज. नेक्स्ट इज द मेरायो डांस. मेरायो डांस you have seen in the Banaskantha district, the steppe region of the Banaskantha district in Gujarat. उसके आजू बाजू में जो लोग हैं वहां के लोग ये प्रकार के जो नृत्य है, डांस है वो करते हैं. In this dance, the toran is used, and this toran woven from the tall grass, just like a reed and junjunhadi. That types of the tall grass. With this grass, the toran is woven in this dance. It is very important. And in this dance, the drum beats are also very used. Drum beats and also the important things, that is the sword tricks. तलवार के साथ भी इस डांस को परफॉर्म करते हैं. That is the special things of this the Merayo dance. So these are the important things regarding about the Merayo dance. Next is the Padhar dance. Padhar dance is seen in Gujarat in the Surendranagar district. The Surendranagar district of Gujarat, the Padhar community, one kind of that is a community in the Surendra district, and that is the Padhar community. Tal, Lay, that is also the important in this dance. Dandiya is also used in these types of the dance. Dandiya, Manjira. One special things of this dance is that this dance is look like a sea waves from the distance. दूर से अगर देखें तो एक sea waves की तरह ये डांस लगता है. Otherwise, that is a ship moving on the sea. That is the one types of the speciality of this dance. So this is the Padhar dance of the Padhar community of the Surendranagar district. Next, the Koli dance. The Koli people of the Saurashtra, that is the perform this dance, the Koli people of the Saurashtra region of Gujarat. The Madrasio on head, वो उसके ऊपर सर के ऊपर रखते हैं, and that is also wear the turban. Turban is also the one types of the special thing in dance, and tied with the green types of the embroidered belt, and also they wear the bat. They wear the bat on their waist. This is the also the speciality of these types of the dance. So the Bharwad community, the Koli community of the Saurashtra perform these types of the dance. The last is the Mer dance. The Mer dance is also performed by the Saurashtra in Saurashtra, and the special the Bharwad community, the tribe community also the perform is the Mer dance of our Gujarat. So this is regarding about the different folk dances of the Gujarat and the very important dances of Gujarat. This topic is very important for the objectives. From this topic, anything can be asked in your objectives regarding about the Golf Gunthan dance, Dhamal dance of the Siddhis, Merayo dance, Padhar dance, Koli dance, and Mer dance. So thus the lesson number 2 is completed. So in this lesson we have studied about the culture of our Gujarat also, and as well as also of our India, the traditional handicrafts of our India, that is the special characteristics of our Indian culture. We have also studied the different types of the traditional handicrafts, from clay work to the painting work. It is, and some traditional handicrafts only seen in India in the past also. So this is regarding about the special cultural heritage of our country. In fine arts we have studied the music and also the dance, different types of the classical dance of our India and music of our Indian culture. And in dramatic art, Bhavai and different dances of our Gujarat. So thus all these things make our India the great cultural heritage, and we have proud of these types of the culture, these types of the unique culture in all over the world. भारत ही एक ऐसा देश है जो हजारों साल पहले जिसने एक संस्कृति की जिसकी किरण जहां से निकली है, ऐसा एक भारत जो देश है वो हजारों साल पहले से दुनिया को एक नई राह, एक इनोवेशन विथ द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ the entertainment also and different types of the knowledge we give to all over the world. So thus our lesson number 2 is the completed traditional handicrafts and fine arts. From the next video we will start a new lesson number 9, the forest and wild resources of our India. Thank you.